Hi guys, it's Meg in the kitchen today, and I'm just about ready to do some cooking, and then I decided that I needed parsley in my dish and in the meal, and I looked around, and I thought of it. I looked at some parsley that I had some time ago. I just preserve it, and so I looked at my garden, and there was some parsley there, and I decided that it was time to reap the parsley, which you can see here is that parsley there I just picked, and some of them leaves are turning yellow, so I decided to cut them all off and just to preserve. I was trying to figure out what am I going to do with all of this kind of parsley now that I've cut them, and they're getting yellow, so it's time to reap. And I've looked on YouTube, and tons of people are there. They're saying different things. Put them in the sun, tie them and put them in the dark corner of the house, bake them on the stove, all sorts of things. I tried all of them. They all came out like this. This is not what I wanted. I didn't want my parsley to be looking this way. I want beautiful green parsley to practically look like this when I'm finished cooking. When they tell me to put it in the corner, it comes out like that. I put it in the sun, it comes out like this. I put it on the stove to bake, it came out like this. And I tried everything possible. I put it in dried it up with a napkin, and I put it in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag. It came out browner than this, practically like this coconut here, and it was just not cutting it for me. And I prayed about it, and I just thought about it, and something told me, why not get the blow dryer, the hair blow dryer, and dry the natural herb, all my natural herbs. That blows me away. That was exactly what I needed, a blow dryer. So I researched it, and the air from the heat and air from the blow dryer is safe. If it's safe for your skin and your scalp and your face and etc., then it's gonna be good for your veggie. Now I cut some of majority of this, and I decided to try the blow dryer method. It worked, guys. This is the blow dryer method. This is what everybody has been trying to tell me to do, which doesn't work, or it comes out brown like this. This is what I use, the blow dryer method, and it is dried. You can see the parsley is dried, and it retains the green color. The same for the other veggies that I've tried. So the one that is left is the mint and the rosemary. Those two I'm going to try to see if I can get them to come out this color. Now, if you're going to blow dry your parsley, you cannot put it in a container like this. It's going to blow away, and it's going to come out this color. You gotta put it to where it's going to get some kind of air. So what I did, I went out and I bought this, and I put the green parsley like this. I demonstrate. I'm using one hand because I want to show you guys how I did it with these sticks and these twines. So what I did, I put the parsley like that, then I put it underneath that where the air can go in and come out, and I use the blow dryer, and I blow the hot air. I blow the hot air this way, and it goes through these holes and come through here. When it was all finished, it came out this way. Okay, not like the baked one. This is the baked and the sun and in the corner. That is what happened. That's that. The one that I wanted was this one. So when I did that, it came out this way. When I covered it this way and blow it, make sure everything is under, it came out this green and beautiful. Now, when I first started blowing it, if you don't have that container, when I started out this morning earlier, everything blew away. Majority of the parts blew away because I put it just like this and just blow it, just blow, you know, with the blow dryer, and it dried and everything, but it was everywhere else, and I lost most of it because it blew away. I had to sweep it up. It's in the sink, it's everywhere else. Yeah, it was in the sink, it was everywhere else except where I wanted it. So what I eventually did, I had these straws from Michael. They are natural straws. So what I did, I used a straw to tie the parsley together like this. And you want to give it that bow so you can unloose it, not damage. Don't tie it too very tight because then it will damage the parsley, and you know it becomes the tender vines are destroyed with the tender vines will be destroyed with the flavor, the natural flavor. So you do not want that. So what I did, let me do a little demonstration here. What I did before I thought of this, what I did was I tied it this way, plugged in the hair dryer like so. As you can see, everything is gone. So what I did, I used the coconut and I put it that way. Then I put the mint that way. And then on low heat, I blow the parsley on low heat until it is dry. It takes about 10 minutes. The way I was doing it, you can see everything is gone from here because I just like put it there in a container. I'm just going to do it with the brown ones so you can see all the brown ones are gone. But yeah, that's exactly what I did. If you blow it the other way, just like blow for blow's sake, everything is going to be gone. You can't do it that way. See, I lost most of it. You got to tie it. You got to tie it. Use it against a natural veggie or food or fruit or something. Like the coconut is harder, so it won't turn that brown or it won't damage. You can't use an orange or anything. You gotta use something like a coconut, and then you gotta put it on low heat, and then you blow it and it's gonna come out this way. So this one is ready to go. This is ready to be. So what I did, after I'm finished blowing it and it comes out beautiful like this one here, I put it in small portion in a kind of wax paper, and I'll just demo that for you guys really quickly so you can see. I use a bit of wax paper. Well, it's torn all badly now. Finished. What I did, let me just put this aside to make things less complicated. So what I did is just like small portion. It all depends on how I'm going to use it. So if I'm going to use a large amount like that for my cooking, and then I put it in the wax paper and just go ahead and seal this. So no air will go in. Just seal it like that. And once it is sealed, I put it in a ziplocker bag like this. Ziplock. I put it in a Ziploc bag like this. Make sure it's dried, and you can put several of them in, and then you seal it.